Good morning, this is Jack from theartchart.net, and this is the pre-market recording for Tuesday, the 1st of May. It's the first day of the month, and we have a really interesting setup to go with, so let's have a look at that now. Now, we've got all new monthly pivots, of course, and the new monthly pivots are 26.39.17, so we're testing it on ES. On NQ, we've got 65.95, so we're testing it on NQ. And on TF, we've got 1540.73, so we're testing it on TF. This is a very important support test. Now, yesterday we had a bearish leaning day on the last day of the month. Today is a bullish leaning day. It's leaning, to be precise, about 67 or 68% bullish historically. Tomorrow is leaning modestly bullish, Wednesday and Thursday leaning bearish. Now, what we have here is an inflection point. What Stan was talking about on the video last night was, let's just check I've got the SPX 60 minute here. He was talking about the triangle. Now, this is the triangle on SPX. Now, at the moment, what we should really do now is head down towards triangle support. I've got that slightly under 25.70. That should be the next target. We've got an inflection point here, and we don't have to do that. What we can do here is actually break directly up, and this would be, Stan has this as basically the end of wave E of the triangle. So the next step would be to break up out of the triangle, then we would back test into the triangle, and then we would go up and we would make, we would retest the all-time high. Not sure what we'd do after that, but we've got the rest of the year leaning broadly bullish. Now, we are in a low window. We are in the low window's middle is tomorrow. And really we're looking for a low this week. That low could be today. So what's the setup we've got here? Well, we've got obviously marginal lower low here, the low at monthly pivot. It could fail there. If we see a move up on TF, I've got a double bottom, then on a break and conversion of 1565 would look for a retest of the April high. Pretty much as simple as that. Very simple setup. It's an either or. NQ, not as clear a setup, but I was saying on my notes last night that this could be a bull flag forming. This could easily be a bull flag forming. All it has to do is find support here and break up. Again, I haven't got any, the sell signal has made the possible near miss target. I haven't got any buy signal brewing here, but marginal lower low at support, obviously it could hold. ES. ES, on a full retest of this low, which I don't think we've seen quite yet, but we may well see this morning, I would get a possible 60-minute buy signal brewing. Really, we need a no-nonsense break below the monthly pivot to open the next level down. That should get us to 25.70 if we get it. If we don't get it, then I'm not seeing any reason why this wouldn't reject straight back up into this high and very possibly continue higher from there. So, inflection point here. I would make a joke about this being a pivotal day if I wasn't actually a wholehearted opponent of puns. But this is an important point. We could go directly up from here. The obvious path is down to 25.70. The bears are going to need to show us something to get us there. If they fail a monthly pivot here and they reject, you do not want to be sure. Okay, let's have a look at CL.